Hi there, today I'm doing a review on these damp clean duster rags. These are reusable. Let's open up this package and see what we have. It does come with a set of instructions. It does explain the cloths, what you could use it on. They do come 4 to a pack. They are individually packaged. I love how that is, so then I can just open up one. Now it does absorb a lot. I'm going to show you that. I have this glass right here. It is full of water. Let's see how well that it will absorb. It actually took every bit out of that glass there. You can just wring it out and then it's ready to go. It does stretch very, very well. These high quality reusable cleaning cloths are very cool. I love the fact that you can just rinse them off, wipe things down, and it does pick up even dust. Now, very durable, reusable cloths. You can use them on many different surfaces. You can use them on glass. You can use them on the wall, on wood, anything really. It does not leave water residue. These damp, clean duster towels, they're very thick. I love the fact that you can stretch them. They seem very durable. They're gonna be long lasting. I love the fact that these are reusable because my stainless steel, they get so many fingerprints all over it, and if I can just wipe it down really quick and it makes it look shiny, that is a great cloth. All in all, I think these cloths are a great buy and I do suggest them.